Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking metals, let's talk precious metals, gold specifically. Very low volume day for gold today, very tight range, $9 range, trading from $1350.80 to $1359.80. We had a change on the day, slightly negative, but I'm going to call it an unchanged day. Essentially, this is still a very strong week, so the day today with the low volume we've seen isn't that important. As a matter of fact, this is the strongest week we've seen of the last 10. 7 of those last 10 weeks have been up, and we're up 2.7% on this particular week. So again, that's the strongest up week of the last 10, although gold is not really breaking out. The trend is still in place. The VIX is stabilizing, which is giving a little bit of a bid to gold overall, not necessarily today. The VIX, as of right now for this week, is down 32% on the week, fell below 19 today and then rallied back up a little bit, but still below 20 and still well below, obviously, the 50 level that we saw during the height of the correction of the sell-off in the equity market. So the VIX stabilizing is always a slightly bullish factor for gold, obviously contributing to the strength that we've got this week. And also contributing to the strength we've got this week is dollar weakness. Dollar may be rolling over. We've seen now 4 or 5 days in a row down in the dollar index, tremendous strength in the yen versus the US dollar, and we're below 89, and it looks like we're testing the lows we saw, 88.43 in the dollar index. We got back down to 88.50, then 88.53, a little bit lower than that, even though they're not exactly, that is the triple bottom, and triple bottoms tend to be, there's no real data on this, but they tend to be continuation patterns. In other words, if it gets back down there again, it's likely to break, which will put a little bit of a bid into gold. So again, I'm going to call gold unchanged today, although it did have a slight negative change on the day versus yesterday. And again, one of the stronger weeks we've seen, even though it is only Thursday, we've got another full day. It's unlikely that that's going to reverse entirely. This is Bob Iaccino talking gold futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.